Hey everybody, it's Tracy from HallOfFameMoms.com. You're okay. And I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what I purchased with my Young Living distributor points. And I'll just give you a little background. So I've been a distributor with Young Living. I don't sell the oils at retail price. I don't make money on that. I do help people sign up under me if they want to do that. And then for like close local, family members or friends who don't want the monthly auto ship responsibility, I just let them order through me at my wholesale price, and then that helps me not have to spend $50 in $50 plus shipping and tax every month out of my own pocket for stuff that I don't need right now. So, they're getting my wholesale benefit, and they're helping me not have to be buying the quota that I need every month. Hopefully that makes sense. What this video is really about is to show you the everyday oil kit that I just got with my points. So I've been with Young Living for about 4 years, actually maybe 5 now, using it for my family. And I think this is the kit that comes in the original, in the starter kit. And I think I've actually bought it twice since that. So this is a nice kit to get. It comes in the sleeve right here. So it's the everyday oils. And it comes with it. This booklet comes with it, and it goes through the oils that you get in the kit. The booklet also has a list of Young Living oils and blends, and a suggested use guide. Okay, so then here's the kit. This kit, you can go to youngliving.com and get this information, but it retails at $182.57. As a distributor, you can get it for wholesale at $138.75. So I used my points to get it. And this is what you get. You get 10 oils in the 5 milliliter size. And let's go through them here. So I'm going to read them here. Got tea tree, peppermint, lemon, lavender, frankincense, thieves, stress away, purification, pan away, and joy. And too bad we didn't have smell-o-vision, right? And then you could smell them too. Let me show them to you again. So if you're a distributor, you can buy these for about $138, or just when you get your points, when your points rack up from your monthly purchases, then just redeem your points. But you can redeem your points for I think anything in the PV value. Oops. So I was thinking that I would show this for some family member who maybe was interested in getting this kit, but I would share it with everybody through a video so everybody can see that and decide if it's something they want to do. So I use Young Living oils. Like let me show you here real quick. So like my most used oils in our home would be thieves, lemon, peppermint, lavender, frankincense or sacred frankincense, stress away. There's other oils I have that I use, but this is out of this kit, those are the ones I mostly use. So yeah, so that's that. So also because Panaway is an expensive oil, and frankincense or sacred frankincense is pretty. They both might be expensive, but one of them I think is really pretty expensive. It's nice to have some frankincense and Panaway in this kit. So anyways, that's that. Hope it was helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.